Hello, this is Engineer Duaso once again, and let's have problem number 4 for our simple interest series. Okay, so let's have this one, and this is a good problem. You have here Andrea and Daniel loaned from CHEETA Bank an amount of 550,000 pesos for their travel to Spain with a secret rate of simple interest of 15%. Oh, laki, no? But the interest was deducted from the loan at the time the money was borrowed. Okay. Now, if Andrea and Daniel must pay the full amount of 550,000 at the end of 2 years, what is the actual interest rate? So, medyo challenging to kasi you have to understand that what you are dealing here. Okay, yung mga amounts natin, ano ba yung mga dinagdag dito sa mga equations natin, no? Okay, so first of all, let's try to establish the fact here that Andrea and Daniel, they loaned, no? So this is in the past, okay? So this is in the past. They loaned the amount of 550,000. And this loan was what? Approved. Okay. And I don't know with you if you have experienced loaning, no? Kung ikaw ay mangungutang, sa bank or whatsoever there, diba? Meron silang mga initial deduction, yung mga attorney's fees, no? Mga taratan dito, mga initial fees, mga ganun, no? So you have to understand all those things, no? And so this is the approved amount, but in reality, hindi yan yung matatanggap mo. Okay, basta ikaw ay maglo-loan. And this is what happened here. Okay, so I'm just trying to give you a picture. Kasi when you loan an amount, yeah, say for example, 20,000, pero hindi talaga 20,000 yung makukuha mo agad-agad. Okay? So it's actually minus the other fees, no, mga notary fees pa dyan, di ba? Now in this case, this is the approved amount, 550,000, with a secret rate of simple interest. So 15%. Okay, 15%. So there's a 15% here. So probably that would be our I. Oh, that's our initial judgment kasi it says here in a rate of simple interest, secret pa. No, but the interest was deducted from the loan. Oh, it was deducted from the loan at the time the money was borrowed. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ikaw nag-loan ka dito, 550,000 pero nag-deduct siya. Ilan ba yung diniduct? Kasi sinabi dito na 15%, ito yung nakikita natin na amount na diniduct dito eh. So actually we can say that the interest here, so ito we can arrange something like this, no? That the interest na kinuha sa kanila is this. From 550,000, kasi sinabi dito the interest was deducted from the loan. Okay. So, how much is it? Ito po no, 550 times 0.15. 15%. Oh, you have to understand. Yan po yung una, diniduct agad, no? At the time, sabi dito, at the time the money was borrowed. So, at the time the money was borrowed, so nagdiduct interest. Ano ba yung interest natin? So you have 550,000 times 0.15. That is 82,000. Ang laki, no? 82,500. Ito yung interest na nakuha sa kanila. So, ibig sabihin na to, from the present amount na 550,000 pesos, okay? Nagdeduct tayo ng interest, okay? So, bale, magkano ba yung na-receive ni Andrea at ni Daniel? So, you have here, 550,000 minus 82,500. So, that should give you how much? So, that would be 550 minus 82,500. That should give you 467,500 pesos. Bale, ito yung na-receive nila. Ito yung na-receive. Let's just note, no? Ito yung na-receive nila Andrea and Daniel. That's the amount. It's not 500,000. Okay. So what's the question here? Let's just continue now on solving here. Now, if Andrea and Daniel must pay the full amount, so dapat mabayaran nila, no? At the end of 2 years, okay, so klaro, no, that this is our N. So that this is our P. Ito yung I natin. Meron tayong N dito. What is the interest rate? So, what is the actual interest rate? So, you want to calculate for the value of the I. Diba? Ito, alam natin that this is I, but that 15% there, I think it was used for the deduction for at that time talaga. But based, no, for the term of the loan, which is 2 years, what is the actual rate? Now, the only way to solve that one, that's another I po. But again, since we have the interest earned, the I, na nakuha natin from the deduction, and then we have the present word, I think we can all agree that we can use I is equivalent to P times the interest rate times the period. Okay? Yung period natin is 2 years, right? So this is 82,500 is equivalent to 467,500 times the value of the I, which is the unknown. Ito yung gusto natin makuha, the actual interest rate for the period. Okay? Kasi ito, I think the 15% here, no, it was for the deduction. Yung una, 'di ba? Unang kaltas ng interest, no? Tapos ito yung period natin, which is 2 years. Okay? So you have here the value of I, and that is 82,500. 82,500 over 467,500 times 2. Okay, so ibig sabihin na to, this is 0.088 or times 100. That should give you an interest rate of 8.82%. And this is our answer here. So that's how you go about with this problem. Okay? So, it's not that easy. Again, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? It's not really easy not to solve economics problem because you have to identify once again, ito, nag-describe ako no, that this is the past, no? Nangyari to sa past, eh. Diba? Tapos, we want to calculate no? In the future, diba? So, I don't know, at the present, sorry, at the present. So, again, economics, we do not have past, we only have present and future. So if there is a past, then we consider it to be present. And then if in the context there is past and present, then the present there will be the future. Okay? So you have to understand that one. Also, ito rin, isa din ito sa mga reality, no? And then, possible din ito sa mga board exam natin. But you have to understand that when you talk about loan, now, there are some deductions. And ito po yung example ng deductions natin. Okay? And then, there is what we call the interest. No? Yung interest natin sa pagkuha, yung una, 'di ba? Kasi yung actual na makukuha mo, hindi talaga yung approved loan. 'Di ba? There is a certain amount there, no, na ma-receive mo. Kasi it will be deducted, no, sa mga tanatan dito, mga notary fee, attorney's fee, yung mga ganun, no? And then, for the actual rate natin, you're talking about the term. Ito na yung ginawa natin. Okay? So, there you have it. That's how you're going to solve for this problem. And thank you so much, guys, for listening. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Hi, this is Engineer Duaso, and thank you for watching. For more videos and for more contents, don't forget to like and subscribe.